I know you can't wait to watch this makeup tutorial to the end. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be doing a very detailed beginners friendly makeup tutorial. So I'm beginning to by priming my skin using Rimmel London mattifying primer, and then I lay my brows, freeze them out using Essence brow lifting gel. And I go in with Maybelline Superstay foundation. This new luminous foundation is the real deal. I mean, full coverage and at the same time lightweight. I've been doing makeup for quite some time, but when the foundation is lightweight, the coverage is usually very light. So this is a game changer. And then for highlighting, I go in with the Essence mattifying camouflage concealer. This concealer as well is very good. Like, the coverage is so good and it doesn't crease if you blend it properly. So go ahead and blend that in, making sure to eliminate any harsh lines with a powder puff. And then next we go in with Essence lips and cheeks blush and the Essence contour stick. Apply it on the right areas just to create some shadows with that contour stick. Now contour my nose also just with a little bit. You don't have to put too much on the nose because we don't want some harsh lines. So that is it, just blending and melting it onto the skin using the appropriate brushes. And then I go straight to set those on the eyes. Before setting, I always like to blend again with a powder puff. Then I go straight with powder to prevent the under eyes from creasing. And now I use Smudge setting powder to set the rest of my face. All those products, you can get them from Clicks. And then I go in with wet and white powder blush to set my blush base. Then I proceed to fill in my brows using the wet and white brow pencil, and I clean it up with some of the Essence camouflage matte concealer. And just like that, guys, the brows are defined. Then we go in with a little bit of concealer to create a base for eyeshadow to sit on. And now we proceed by applying a darker shade on the outer corners, blend the edges, just blending. The main thing is blending, guys. You don't need to do too much. And then apply some green eyeshadow on my crease. Look at those eyes. And then line my eyes. The black waterline is always giving. I love it. And I pop up some lashes. And now for lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline Superstay nude lipstick. And then I just set everything in using the Maybelline Superstay setting spray. And that is it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and bye.